Domino rules. Setup. Use a set of 28 domino tiles. If there are more than 4 players, each player or team may be dealt fewer tiles. Place the tiles face down on the table and shuffle them. Drawing tiles. Each player or team draws a specific number of tiles, typically 7 in a standard game. In a 2-player game, both players draw 7 tiles. In a 3 or 4-player game, each player draws 7 tiles. In a 5 or 6-player game, players draw 5 tiles. First move. The player holding the double 6 tile goes first. If no one has the double 6, then the player with the double 5 goes first, and so on. Gameplay. Players take turns placing a tile on the table, connecting one of its numbers with an open end of the layout. The next player must match one of the open ends of the tiles on the table. If they cannot play a tile, they must draw from the boneyard remaining tiles until they can make a move. Doubles are placed perpendicular to the line of play. The game continues in this manner, with players building a line of tiles. The round ends when one player plays all their tiles, or when no more plays can be made. Scoring. In some games, players score points for the pips dots on the tiles left in their opponent's hands at the end of each round. Other games score points for winning rounds, with points accumulated until a player or team reaches the target score. Winning. The player or team who reaches the specified target score first wins the game. It's important to note that specific rules may vary depending on the version of dominoes you're playing, or local variations. Always clarify the rules with your fellow players before starting a game. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on future content. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.